Have you ever wondered, what if the Earth suddenly stopped spinning? Sounds impossible, right? But let's say it did happen, not gradually, not slowly, but all at once. What would really happen to the planet, and to us? Buckle up, because this isn't just a science question, it's a survival nightmare. We often take it for granted that Earth is constantly rotating. It spins at a speed of around 1,670 kilometers per hour, 1,037 miles per hour, at the equator. You can't feel it, but it's happening. So what if it all just stopped? The result would be instant chaos. Section 1. The instant stop. If Earth stopped spinning suddenly, the atmosphere wouldn't stop with it. That means everything not anchored to solid rock, you, me, cars, buildings, oceans, would be flung eastward at over 1,000 miles per hour. It would be like being thrown from a speeding jet. Cities would be flattened. Mountains would crumble. The oceans would surge, creating mega tsunamis hundreds of feet tall, destroying coastlines instantly. And that's just the first few minutes. Section 2. Day and night collapsed. Without rotation, Earth's natural day and night cycle would break. One half of the planet would be in constant daylight, burning under the unrelenting sun, while the other half would freeze in eternal darkness. Temperatures would reach extreme levels, hot enough to boil oceans on one side, cold enough to freeze everything on the other. Only a thin, twilight zone between the two halves might remain barely habitable, but for how long? Section 3. Atmospheric chaos. The atmosphere depends on Earth's spin for wind patterns, jet streams, and weather systems. With no rotation, wind and ocean currents would stop. Climate would collapse. Massive storms, permanent hurricanes, and unending droughts could cover the globe. And that's not all. Earth's magnetic field, which protects us from deadly solar radiation, is generated by the spinning of the planet's iron core. If rotation stops, the magnetic field could vanish. That means intense radiation from the sun would hit us directly. Skin cancer, DNA damage, death. Section 4. Long-term consequences. Over time, oceans would begin to move toward the poles due to gravity, flooding northern and southern regions, while the equator would dry up. Earth would become a dead, divided planet, frozen, burnt, flooded, and broken. No more seasons. No more agriculture. No more humans, unless we somehow adapt in underground cities or artificial environments. Basically, life as we know it would end. But don't panic, the good news is, this can't really happen, at least not suddenly. Earth's spin is slowing very slightly over millions of years, but we'll be long gone before anything like this becomes a real issue. Still, it makes you realize how fragile our world really is. If this blew your mind, hit that like button, drop a comment with your thoughts, and share this with a curious friend. And if you want more crazy science questions and mind-bending, what-if scenarios, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon. New videos every week. Until next time, stay curious, and stay safe.